Want to see crypto prices in your local currency instead of US dollars? Changing the currency in the BingX app in 2026 only takes a few taps and can make tracking your portfolio much easier. Open the BingX app and sign into your account. Next, tap your profile icon and open Settings or Preferences. Look for the currency, fiat currency, or display currency option. Tap it and choose your preferred currency, such as USD, Euro, GBP, or PHP, depending on the currency supported in your region. After selecting your preferred currency, save your changes if prompted. The app will then update portfolio values, market prices, and account balances to display in your selected currency for easier tracking and analysis. Keep in mind that changing the display currency does not convert your actual crypto holdings. It only changes how values are shown inside the app. And that's how you change the currency in the BingX app in 2026. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more BingX tutorials and crypto trading guides.